Hello, everybody. This is Sebi from S Code Games, and today we are going to be continuing on our project. Today we are going to add running. Okay, so first off, we're going to put a variable called run speed, and that's going to be equal to 10. We're going to be making it so your player can run. And then right here, we're going to go to our script, our move script. We're going to go to our human 0. You see that pops up over there. Equals run SPD. And then we're going to copy SPD here. We're going to put that in there. Paste that. And now that's going to be how much we're going to run. And then in our move script, we're going to make this run. Wow, we got to do capitals, run speed. And that turns to a variable color. And so now, if you run the game... Oh, I think I did this wrong. This needs to be the other way around. Our run speed equals argument 0. So yeah, we gotta do that. What did I... Yeah, now that's gonna work. So if we go here, our movement should still work. And yeah, that's right, our movement will still work. But now we're going to make it so by default it will equal 5, and then if we press space it will equal 10. Now here we're going to do if, put that in those brackets. Why is that? I've accidentally tried to make that a variable when it isn't. Don't put these at the end of these, okay? So if keyboard check VK underscore space, then we're going to make it so run speed, you see that over there, equals run speed plus 5. You can do it how much you want, but that will show you if you run the game right here. Uh-oh, what mistake did I make? Move, run speed. I did some mistake. Run speed. I'm gonna pause the recording until I do find the mistake. Okay, okay, guys, so we are back. So what you're gonna need to do here, because say if you just did this and you ran the game here, this would happen. You can move, and yeah, I just made a mistake. And now it should work here. If you did it, I forget what my mistake is. Just copy and paste all these settings. Here, I think I forgot to do something. But now you all are going to learn how your character can run. But now we gotta do something else to make it so you're not always running. So we're gonna do if not If not, keyboard check VK underscore space. Wait, what variable? Mistake there, huh? Then run speed. Oh, I forgot the capital there. Never forget the capital. That could legit make so many bugs. Run speed equals 5. You could just put this in an else statement, but I feel doing the statement will work better. Whatever you guys want to do. So here, if we're just moving with the arrow keys, you'll move like that. And then, see, you move faster when you're holding space, but if you're not holding space, you will not move fast. And that is it for this video. In the next video, we are going to be going over shooting. See you all next time. Keep developing. Peace out.